are very less in corona. Shortness of breath. Other symptoms maybe that we can have a confusion between corona, flu, and common cold, but shortness of breath we don't have usually in flu or in a common cold. So fever is there, cough is dry, shortness of breath is there. These are 3 4 points you have to. And the runny or the stiffen nose is very very rare, very rare in the corona. So you have to know these, you educate yourself properly that what are the symptoms we have in a flu, common cold, and corona virus infection. If you'll go in psychiatric disorder, we have two type of treatment always. One is pharmacological medication. Second is non-pharmacological. We call it a psychotherapy or we call it a counseling. In common language, we call it a बातचीत का इलाज. So this is a treatment we have. What pharmacological treatment we have in psychiatry? I have just written the common name, but if whatever queries you will have, we will talk about it in detail. We have antidepressant, we have antipsychotic for psychotic disorder, and we have benzodiazepines. As a psychiatrist, I'm telling you, initially when we had these medication, all of course, any medication, any generation of any group of medication comes in market, they have an effect, but they have a side effect. Over the time, over 60, 70 years, we overcome most of the side effect. And if we know how to build up the dose, what is a patient exact diagnosis, we can avoid almost every side effect. So nowadays we have a psychiatric medication with a very less side effect if you know how to optimize them, and they are not addictive. Many people have this myth, many people in our society have misconception that इनकी दवाइयां लग जाती हैं, ये हमेशा सोने की दवाई देते हैं, इनकी दवाई छोड़ नहीं पाओगे. ऐसा नहीं है. It's not. I am telling you very with the like 100% assurance that and with the proven fact that our psychiatric medications are not addictive. A patient having a depression, patient having an anxiety disorder, usually patient need medication for maybe 2 months, 3 months, maximum 4 to 6 months initial if it is a first the episode of any psychiatric problem, and if you come early in a treatment net. So we have various this pharmacological intervention in the form of antidepressant, antipsychotic, and benzodiazepines. What is a non-pharmacological intervention we have in a form of treatment? We, as I mentioned you, we have a various exercises also. Later on, if you want, I can send you personally. Also, we have JPMR, Jacobson Progressive Muscle Relaxation Exercise. We have a breathing exercise in a form of exercises. When you have, we have a anger management techniques. We have when you have anger or the irritability, then you can change from the 10 to 1 or distract yourself. How to distract? If you will Google the anger control management technique, also will find it. Whenever we have any panic attack, we have a fear that what will happen if I will have a COVID-19. So just ask few questions to yourself. Number one, always we have to do what is in our control. So you suppose today I'm having some problem with someone. What I can do first, I have to think about it rather than thinking what other person will do to me. So the first query should come in your mind that what is under my control. Second, am I unnecessarily worrying about the worst thing that can happen? The catastrophic thinking. Always we go about the worst. That okay, this is going to happen, but it doesn't happen always. If you'll see your past experience, the same symptoms you had in past, and it was not life-threatening. So don't worry. Today also you will easily overcome this problem. So whether I had this problem in past, I had this stress in past, how I managed it, recall it, and try to implement today also. What are the things I can do to help myself and be positive? So these queries should be there. It's not as easy as I'm saying, but yes, it can be done. It can be implemented. Feeling lonely or sad is very common in this scenario. So stay connected with other. As I use the word that have a physical distancing, but don't have a social distancing. Always have a good support with your family members. Always try to talk to them. Always have a good, at least half an hour, 1 hour you spend with your the relatives over the mobile. Nowadays we have many options. We have a Skype, we have a WhatsApp video call, we have sometime even I don't know the name of these various app we have. Some now, like I think 1 year before, one of my the patient from Dubai called and he told me, sir, Hi You is there one app and you download it. So many we have nowadays, and these app, we can use this various social platform. We have ample of them, and you have to be connected. So at home you have a good your activity schedule, you do some exercises, engage yourself in some music or other therapies. Apart from that, good social connection is very, very important during this time. How to support the mental health? What are the strategies? Number one, as I mentioned, that now we should not have fear. It's alarming situation, it's a new normalcy, so accept it. So like the professor Ahmed talking about that, initially we call it a dabda. Initially denial, then the anger, then the bargain, then the depression and acceptance. As soon as you will accept the situation that yes, now it is there, now I how I will deal with it. So see, what will happen is, suppose COVID-19, you will have a fear of COVID-19. Okay, this infection is there. Initially we were sitting at home, but now gradually people started having worry. What will happen to my job? As a doctor, I am having worry. What will happen to my patient if I will not see them? So all these, so now what we have to do, we have to find an alternative. That I have to work now, I have to sustain my family, I have to secure my job. But yes, it doesn't mean I have to put myself in a danger. How to keep yourself safe? Again, I'm repeating: mask, physical distancing, and washing hand again and again. And apart from your job, you avoid going in on another place. But yes, you now have to be very clear about it, that we have to live with the corona. We have to save ourselves, but we have to move on, we have to work. Otherwise, if you will save from the corona, you will have problem or psychological or physical impact because of other problems. Tomorrow you don't know how to sustain your family, you don't have a job, then other problems you will actually invite. So you have to be very careful. Now it's a tricky situation. We got trapped here. Now we should know how to make a balance. So number one, acceptance. Number two, cognitive behavior therapy. In our term we are calling it, how to challenge these negative thoughts, how to face them and challenge it. Don't avoid them. In life, this is a one very small rule. If you avoid the problem always go parallelly with you, and after some time, when you realize problem is there or not, always you will see that problem in a bigger form rather than in a smaller form. So you have to face it now and challenge it, and neutralize it or modify it. Limit intake of stressful information. That I will request you, my dear friends, again and again, that only once in a day watch the news channel, know what's happening, and that's it. What my government is doing good to me, and what are the cases, but don't talk about it again and again. It's a cycle. Suppose my hand, I have some wound on my hand. If I will see it 10 times, it's a psychological. 11 time I will feel it more. So whenever we do anything again and again, we develop the reflex. We have various pathway in our mind. So whatever thing we do again and again, this pathway get implemented, and then it's very difficult to come out from there. So have a limit intake of this information, that what's going on. Because see, in Delhi we are working, we are even going out. I'm seeing my patients since throughout this lockdown, nothing happened. But when you see the on TV ki yaar kya ho raha hai, sab lagta hai ki sab kuch gadbad ho gaya. But this is not the case, my dear friends. Stay connected. I mentioned in previous slide, stay connected. Isolation is a most dangerous sign of the any psychiatric problem. Isolation can grab us, isolation can kill us. So stay connected. What are the proactive health management behaviors we have to practice is day in day out? Focus what you can control. We have a good coping skills, we have a bad coping skills. Focus on the good coping skills rather than the bad coping skill. What are the bad coping skills? Negative thoughts, catastrophic thinking, black and white thinking. And what are the good coping skills? As I mentioned, that okay, have a good food on time, regular exercise, connected with your the family member, do your work, and start planning that how I will, now corona is there, I have to live with it, and how I will plan my career and my life and my job. Yeah, it's hard, but how you can take care about yourself, face the stressor rather than avoiding them. And in workplace, I will say, always have a empathy towards your junior. Try to understand them. you know now you have to change your expectation. Your, you have any institution, you have any business. Before we had that much output. Now you have to understand that that much output, everybody, even a big tycoon, big businessman, people are telling that 2020 is a year of survival. So we have to survive now. Don't think about benefit. Don't think about that मेरे 1 या 2 करोड़ और जुड़ जाएं. If you survive, वो करोड़ जुड़ जाएंगे. But life is more important now, my dear friends. Be very clear about need for direction and you have to prioritize your what you expect from your institution, what you expect from your juniors, what you expect from your colleagues. Now everybody is saying that we are working from home, but as a psychiatrist I want to tell you, we are not working from home during pandemic. We are staying safe at home during a pandemic and try to get some work done. So if we are working from home, we can't do that much what we were doing before. So these, understanding among each other, whatever, change our expectation, change our, give the different direction to our priority. These balance we have to make, and this is, very good, like interaction, communication with each other. So now it's a teamwork. जो कहते हैं ना कि if you want to, speed, you want to go fast, you walk alone, but you want to go far, you move together. So ये साथ चलने का समय है. We have to make a new routine of our life. We have to connect workplace support. We have to have access. If you have some problem, if you're finding difficulty, if you develop some stress or anxiety problems, then one more point I want to tell you. When you are work from home, many times, most of the time before you were working in your office, now you are working from home. You all every time in front of your laptop. It's also it gives a lot of stress. Sometimes you don't have a good sleep also, and you think, okay, if I will tell my senior, he will, fire me and he will job work se nikal denge. Don't worry about that. Don't think negative. Maybe he or she will understand you. So always talk to them. Sir, I have this problem. What should I do? How you can help me? Maybe they will, ventilation itself is a, helping each other. And if ventilation is not going to help, if you think that with this symptom I have a social or occupational dysfunction, then meet your nearby doctor, meet your psychiatrist. So always have access from your, workplace colleagues, or you have to, ask and express the concern. Always ask if somebody is having a problem or you have a problem. Always, express your concerns. Try to listen them. Whenever you don't always, this is for seniors. I am telling, when we have a junior, sometimes we always have a liability or, pressure that we have to take, unse kaam nikalwana hai. But now this is a, already we have this stressful pandemic situation. So we have to understand our colleagues, our juniors. We have to always listen them. We have to understand them calmly, and we always, always we have to have a sympathy or empathy towards them, that they will, okay, they know whom to ask for the help. We have to encourage them. Yeah. And what are the, prophylactic measures of COVID-19 we have? Why I put the question mark? As a doctor, I'm telling you, yes, vitamin C is very helpful. I can tell you the dose also: 500 milligram morning and 500 milligram in evening. At least 1 gram per day you can take vitamin C. Guidelines. Many things given there. Addition doing it, but yes, this Ayush guidelines we have azithromycin, hydroxychloroquine, this medication we had. But I will request you, and I just mentioned here because these were, initially we used as a prophylactic measure also, but over the time it has been seen that they are not so helpful. So I will request you not to use in a current scenario. Recent medication came, Febiflu, this, antiviral drug. It is only mild to moderate symptoms, and how much it will be helpful, soon the data is going to tell us. Only one slide I asked, that later on we'll discuss that what physical illness we have. Currently we don't have a direct data that, okay, how the COVID-19 mainly affects the physical illness. But yes, what happens if you have an anxiety disorder, you have a depression, automatically, or if you have a known case of hypertension on blood pressure, automatically hypertension, the BP will increase. Diabetes also, it has a bi-directional relation. You have a diabetes, you have a more chance of depression. You have a depression, you will have a more the sugar derail. So the diabetes, hypertension, bronchial asthma, and other respiratory illness also, this COVID-19 situation has a direct impact. So this all I wanted to tell, but now I will be very happy to handle the all. Thank you so much once again to listening me calmly and quietly. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir, for wonderful sharing information. So, if you permit, can we take few questions?
Yeah, please.
I have noted the questions from the chat window.
Yeah.
One is, can you please emphasize on the correlation between asymptotic and the mortality lead?
What?
Asymptomatic and mortality.
Asymptomatic COVID patient and mortality.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, usually the patient, see, we have to worry only in COVID-19. We have to worry only when the person having a symptom, high grade fever, and the shortness of breath or the breathing difficulty. Then we have to worry. Otherwise, the government in Delhi also, that the battle is going on since many days. You must have seen. Sometimes we say that okay, we have to admit these patients at least for a few days. Some people say not. But so as a doctor, I'm telling, if you are asymptomatic, you should not worry about it. You should not. Yeah, sometimes we hear that on TV ki achanak suddenly somebody collapsed or some the problem he or she had. There are already the ongoing the comorbidities are there. Then only effect. But in asymptomatic, it is very less chance. So if somebody is asymptomatic, then person should not worry about it.
The same question from Ms. Ira Upadhyay, Dr. Ira Upadhyay. Can suicide be the last stage of all types of mental disorders?
Doctor, who asked?
Sir, it's Professor Ira Upadhyay.
Okay, Professor Ira Upadhyay. Yeah, see, it's a very good question, and as a psychiatrist, I would like to answer about it. Suicide in psychiatry, if you see, what are the psychiatric who actually end up in a suicide? Number one, depression, most common. Apart from depression, we have a personality disorder. Some personality problems are there. Then person impulsive suicide, we call it. We having an interpersonal, you must have seen, we are having some discussion, heat arguments, and suddenly person takes some step. So we can't say it's a last stage of every psychiatric disorder that person should having so much depression or so much anxiety, then only suicide. So there are various, it varies from patient to patient, why some people have everything in their life and suddenly they think, yeah, this life का कोई meaning नहीं है. What I will do if I will tomorrow I will get married, then I will grow my children. सब लोग ऐसे ही जी रहे हैं, उसका क्या meaning है? So many thoughts we can have. Yes, depression is the most common psychiatric disorder which having a suicide. But apart from that, I will say कि the suicide is not a last stage of every psychiatric disorder. But yeah, depression, in bipolar disorder, schizophrenia, we have personality disorder and substance use disorder. So again, I'm repeating: depression, bipolar disorder, schizophrenia, personality disorder, and substance use disorder. We have the suicide. But yeah, as a doctor, as a psychiatrist, I will request you, anybody, even that okay, person maybe will not attempt or will not commit suicide, but anybody utter the word ki my life is not worth living, and I think I have to die and मेरी life का कोई मतलब नहीं है. We have to take it very seriously. We have to take it as an emergency condition before it is too late. But it is not.
Thank you so much, sir.
Psychiatric disorder.
Thank you for the answer, sir. Sir, there is one question from Professor Senthil. He would like to ask about the plasma blood transfer is a better treatment or not?
Yeah, currently I see I'm not the perfect person to answer that. Yeah, it's a helpful, it's very helpful, but there are many debate is going on. So I would like not to touch that point currently, because it's initial, yeah, it's helping, it is helpful, but what are the consequence? What are the it's, I think some physician or the internal medicine person is a the perfect better person to answer about it.
Okay,
But
thank you,
yes,
sir.
it is useful. It is useful.
Yeah, there is a one more question from Professor V.R. Mote, sir. How to handle a person who is overthinking about COVID and scaring us about the consequences? How to make that person calm?
How to make that, yeah, so as I told you that initially, number one, you have to know yourself that already you, if you had a anxiety disorder or any psychiatric disorder, then you are more vulnerable. Number one, suppose before you did not have, see, any, when we call it a normal or when we call it a, we have to seek help, what is the basic difference? So I think this will make the clear to everyone that when we say, sometimes we say, yeah, don't worry, do some exercises, go out, talk to your friends, and everything will be fine. So sometimes we say it's a stress, and when we call it that it's a serious, you have to seek the help. Any symptom, any symptom which is a fulfilling the criteria of syndrome, and that syndrome having a social dysfunction and occupational dysfunction. Social dysfunction means we are not happy, we are not able to interact properly with our family members, we are not able to maintain our hygiene, we are not able to take food properly, our appetite decreases, or we have a sleep disturbance. This is a social dysfunction. Occupational dysfunction means you are not able to do your work properly. If a student is not able to study properly, so if we have symptoms that much that they start interfering in our day-to-day life, socially and occupationally, then the sign, the red alert sign should be there. That means something we have problem. So initially, how we can help these patients? Initially, as I told you, having a good schedule of your life, no sleep cycle disturbance, sleep on time, having a good food on times, having a vitamins. I request to all of you, take a vitamin C and vitamin B complex regularly during this time. Have a good food on a time, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Have a good social connection with your family members and with your relatives and friends, and regular exercise, and knowing about, we call one term self talk, again and again explain yourself that corona, maybe we don't know when it will go away from our society or from our life. So now time to reschedule our plan. Now take to, don't worry about it. You have to start your work. If you are a student, start your study only with the precaution. So now we have to add this thing that I will not, corona can't stop me, I will do my thing, but it should not be नहीं मुझे डर नहीं लगता, ऐसा नहीं है. We have to take a precaution, but we have to indulge in our activities. Otherwise, वो कहते हैं ना कि बहुत अच्छाई भी खराब करती है और बहुत, if you are too much worried, if you are taking a too much precaution, not going out, you are just taking isolation, what it will create, for a student, it will have a problem in study. If you are working, you will have a problem in your job, or isolation also will create a problem. So now don't isolate yourself. Again, I am repeating, good food, exercise, connection with the family members, good sleep hygiene, have a combination of this, and still you think that this is not helping me, then we are, as a psychiatrist, to help you out. Yeah.
Yeah, thank you, sir. There is a one question related to the children's. How can we save our children's when they are busy every time with their mobile phones? As they
Yeah.
are not going schools and all other places, they all time busy with the mobile phones.
Correct. I touched in every webinar. The people are asking about me, or already I touched while going through my slides, that yes, this is a very difficult situation now. Now, initial of lockdown, we were just missing everybody so badly कि नहीं यार, family time मिला, and within 10 to 15 days, everybody got bored about it. Because one or two child at home, we are also working from home. So what you do? Now that already the children having online classes, even now that the summer vacation is already there, what you do, make a schedule of your child and have a good combination in this schedule. that from what time to what time your child will do. So number one, make a good schedule. In that schedule, apart from study, indulge some activities which actually child will find useful and fruitful, and he gets the pleasure from these activities. But I request you, in we have a nuclear family nowadays. What we do, this is a very easy way. aap tv dekh lo, mobile bacche ko de diya. Number one, we have access to everything. I hope you will understand what I'm trying to say. In Google, everybody has internet. We have access to everything. Be very careful after 8 9 10 years. Even be very careful what your child is he or she is indulged in social media. Number two, have a limited access to this mobile, because it's an addiction. Now in our new classification, we have addiction psychiatry, and this addictive behavioral disorder, we are giving the new term to this disorder. The children are addicted to this internet, mobile and TV. So have a limited access to this. Apart from that, study time, exercise. So give them also a different opportunities and make a combination. It is going to help. It is going to help.
Okay, thank you, sir. There is another question. What are the symptoms to identify that person is going through depression, sir?
Yeah, depression. Okay, that's a very good question. What you can do, depression is a very common in our society. Is that already WHO have called, the global burden of survey have revealed it, that by 2020 the depression is the leading cause, second leading cause of dailies. Dailies means disability adjusted life years. So after ischemic heart disease, depression is the second most. Can you imagine why I'm emphasizing on this point, that depression is the second leading cause after ischemic heart disease. So now we are here in 2020. What are the common symptoms of depression? Number one, low mood, persistent low mood. Some or other day everybody feel depressed, but mood should be low, mood should be persistent. Number two, you are not enjoying your activities which you were enjoying previously, like watching TV, talking to your friends, watching movies, what pleasurable activities, you reading newspaper, now you are not enjoying. Number three, even without indulging in work, or after half an hour or 1 hour, you feel fatigue. So we have a three very important common symptom: persistent low mood, you are not enjoying activities which you enjoyed previously, and we have fatigability. Apart from that, we have various negative thoughts, ideas of hopelessness, worthlessness, and helplessness. Sometimes people have guilt. We have very common guilt ideas in our, and sometimes that's why आपने टीवी वगैरह में देखा होगा, depressed people, we love our family, but because of depression we kill the family members, the wife, the children, and then they kill themselves. So we have ideas of guilt, because person start thinking, I'm not able to sustain my family, I am the culprit, मैं इतना बुरा हूँ जिसकी वजह से सब गड़बड़ हो रहा है, and शायद मुझे इसको end कर देना चाहिए. So these negative thoughts we have. Apart from that, we have a sleep disturbance, decrease appetite, and very frequent symptom, crying spells. When we talk to someone about our problem, we start crying. बात करते करते हम रोने लग जाते हैं. And we have a attention in students is very common कि सर पढ़ाई तो कर रहा हूँ, I am studying nowadays, but whatever I study, after half an hour I realize कि मैंने कुछ graphs तो किया ही नहीं. I am not able to grab the situation. I am not able to understand what I have read it. So it is a decreased attention and concentration. That are developing suicidal ideas. So we have persistent low mood. We have we don't enjoy pleasurable activities. We have a fatigability. We have various negative thoughts. We have a sleep disturbance, decreased appetite, and suicidal ideas. These are the very common symptoms of depression. Whenever you have depression, one more thing I want to tell you: psychiatric disorder is not weakness. Many, even after this, this celebrity incident, very unfortunate incident this happened, many patients come to me कि सर मुझे आपकी जरूरत पड़ेगी क्या, मैं इतना कमजोर हूँ क्या? Do you think if somebody is having the diabetes, he is कमजोर? Somebody is having hypertension, he is weak? Why do you think then the person who is having a psychiatric disorder, he or she is weak? As a psychiatrist, one more thing I want to tell you: psychiatric disorder are treatable. You have a diabetes, you never ask your doctor that when I'm going to stop the medication, because it is chronic illness, you have to take a medication for whole life. For the other hypertension, others, physical illness. Say, but in psychiatry, even patient after 1 or 2 months will ask me, "Ki sir, medicine kab band karni hai?" So the point I want to make that psychiatric disorders are easily treatable. The medications are not lifetime. Then why not to treat them and talking about them? So and one more thing I want to tell you. That I hope I'm not taking much time.
No, no, please go ahead. Please.
No, sir. Please continue, sir.
Yeah. So this one more important thing. Sometimes we are talking about awareness that we have to talk about it. We have to have a knowledge. Believe me, many patients have knowledge about it, but it's not only the problem of knowledge, it's also problem of acceptance. We don't accept it that we have this problem. So आप मुझे बताइए, people nowadays people talk about big investigation. सर मैंने 2D को करवाया, मैंने ये करवाया. If you have a knowledge of that many investigations, जो सिम्टम मैंने बताया आपको लगता है इसकी नॉलेज होना डिफिकल्ट है. So it's not only problem of knowledge, it's a problem of acceptance. So we have to come that point also. Yeah, apart from knowledge, please start accepting it that it is not weakness, it is not kamjori. The neurobiology of psychiatric disorder has been established, and they are also like a disorder, which are like a medical illness. The good thing about psychiatric problem that they are easily treatable and medications are not lifelong. आप सोचिए डायबिटीज से कोई खत्म नहीं होगा अचानक से, बीपी से कोई अचानक से खत्म नहीं होगा. बट माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, आई वांट टू मेंशन हियर इमोशनली that depression can kill you, psychiatric problems can kill you. So be aware about it. When you think that these symptoms are what many family member also say, यार थोड़ा घूम के आ, ये करके. एंड वन मोर थिंग व्हाई आई टोल्ड अबाउट एक्सेप्टेंस, क्योंकि इशू क्या होता है, सपोज आई एम सफरिंग फ्रॉम आई थिंक आई हैव सम डिप्रेसिव सिम्टम, बट मेरा इशू क्या आ जाता है, किससे बोलूंगा? पापा से बोलूंगा तो डांट पड़ेगी, पापा बोलेंगे पढ़ाई तो करता नहीं है, देखो बगल वाला बच्चा कितना, शर्मा जी का बच्चा कितना अच्छे से पढ़ रहा है, ये नालायक है, अब इसको उदासी छाने लगी है. सो द इशू ऑफ एक्सेप्टेंस, बच्चे को लगता है कि मैं बोलूं किसको. सो please accept, try to be emotional, with your child, be very comfortable whatever he or she says. अचानक से आप कुछ ऐसा कमेंट मत करो कि second time that the child can't be a vocal in front of you. So these points I just wanted to make.
Dr. Saab, there is Dr. Vishal, just in between one question.
Yes, sir.
One participant from HBTI Kanpur is a very renowned institution of the country for engineering program. Dr. Kohli has asked that under this difficult time when all of us are at home, how to handle sensitive people at home like wife, mother, father, kids together.
Hello.
Sir, can you hear me?
Hello. Yes.
Yeah, one very interesting.
Can you repeat? Actually, I couldn't.
Oh yes, I'm repeating. One very interesting.
Your voice is breaking.
That all of us are at home, and how to handle sensitive people at home at one moment of time: wife, mother, father, and kids.
Hello.
Are you audible? I'm audible, sir.
Hello. Yeah. Hello. Voice is breaking. Actually, I don't know.
Sir, there is one question.
Professor Hoda, sir, voice is breaking. Hello.
Sir, there is one question. Yeah, I'm repeating, sir. How to handle sensitive person like wife, mother, home, father in a home, sir? How can we handle sensitive person, sir?
Sensitive means what? See what? Sometimes we already had a lack of knowledge in our society. So now we started knowing about the depression, about anxiety disorder, about psychotic disorder. So very common problem. But I want to tell, and it's very important, एक problem हम बोलते हैं स्वभाव की problem. We call it a personality disorder. So sometimes we have this personality issue that whatever other person tell to us and how we take it, उनका बोलने का मतलब अलग होता है, लेकिन हम उसको अलग तरीके से लेते हैं. So I think you wanted to mention that sensitivity. So this sensitivity, number one, it's a very tricky situation. Sometimes if you will do according to that person only, then you are making him more convinced that okay, if I will handle this. Suppose एक बच्चा है, every time he cries or he get angry, then we give him things, but he doesn't cry, he don't get angry, we don't give him. So बच्चे को समझ में आ जाता है कि crying and the anger is solving my problem. So he will get habituated to that problem, that personality trait. Same here. If the person is sensitive, you have to, just see it's very, difficult to, explain in 2 3 sentences. But yeah, you have to find out that why person is sensitive, whether the other person also has a problem or not. If the other everybody is behaving in a appropriate manner to that person, but still they are sensitive, you think that okay, if this sensitivity is creating a problem in an interpersonal relationship, then you have to sit down, make that person understand. If it is not helping, you take a professional help, and I think it is going to solve the problem. In these kind of issues, we don't need medication, but we need proper, psychotherapeutic approach, counseling session. Yeah.
Sir, one participant would like to know the tablets of for vitamin C, sir.
Vitamin C
Can you-
tablets is, yeah, see, company name I don't want to take here on this platform, but you just say vitamin C 500 milligram and they will give you.
Okay, okay.
Again, I will repeat, vitamin C 500 milligram morning and evening, and vitamin B complex. Any good company, it's not, ethical to take a name of the company, but vitamin C 500 milligram BD and vitamin B complex, take every day. Have a good food, and this our, whether nowadays people are debating, but Ayurveda is always help us. So this Chyawanprash, turmeric, जो हम सब्जी वगैरह में टेस्ट के लिए नहीं खाते, usually I think everybody heard about it कि when we had a fight in school time, college time, कि आप हल्दी पी के आना, है ना, लोग ऐसे बोलते थे. So it's a very good, it's a very good antiseptic. So use this, thing. It is definitely going to help. How much it will help, the proven data we don't have in our hand, but I think better is something than nothing. So apart these, is our Ayurveda also proven since many years, so you can use that also.
Okay. So there is a one participant, her mother has a problem of asthmatic. So she would like to know how to recognize the uneasiness of breathing due to asthma or a COVID.
Yeah, it's very easy. Suppose one person came to me, he or she is a known case of bronchial asthma. They had a, hello, can you hear me? Am I
Yes,
audible?
sir. Yes, sir. You are
Yeah.
audible.
Yeah, so one person is a known case of bronchial asthma. He was maintaining well on a medication, and suddenly the symptoms worsened. So initially, see, we always have to give the doubt of benefit to the medical illness only. First, we have to rule out that any issues happened or not with the medical illness, why the symptom got worsened. But once the pulmonologist or the physician ruled out that, okay, these symptoms are not due to bronchial asthma, it means there is a anxiety symptoms are in the picture. Because otherwise also in COVID-19, before COVID-19 also, I'm telling you, many patients we used to see who having a gastrointestinal problem, bronchial asthma problem, they had a component of anxiety. So it's a teamwork with physician and psychiatrist team. They will, initially have to look for the medical causes, that why symptoms have worsened. On the same medication, patient was maintaining well. And if we rule out the medical cause, then the psychiatry comes in a picture, that maybe because of that anxiety, and then you have to take a good clinical history, and you can easily evaluate that anxiety component is there or not. Yeah.
Sir, any solution for mobile addiction? Not for
Yeah,
children,
yes.
for elder persons also.
100%. Yeah, solution is there. Number one, what he or she is watching, that is also important, because apart from mobile addiction, some other issues also we have. This I think we are adult people, and we should not shy away from this porn watch addiction or the sex addiction. Also, we have these kind of terms nowadays. So what we are watching, these issues are there. I will tell you one more thing. See, it's not about mobile or the internet addiction. Because of that, even adult person, even the children, they get symptoms. What are the symptoms because of this internet or mobile addiction? Regression happen. Child will have irritable. Child will have a low mood, sudden anger outburst. Bacha ekdam, easy fatigability. The decline, or there will be decline in academic performance. and sleep disturbance. So depressive kind of symptom will be there, and always craving. बच्चे से अगर आपने मोबाइल ले लिया तो ऐसे लगता है जैसे कि सॉरी टू से गर्लफ्रेंड या बॉयफ्रेंड छीन लिया हो, and the child will create a nonsense at home. So if these symptoms are there, then understand that child or the adult person is not just using, now the internet is using that person, and he or she is having this proper diagnosis. Yes, if symptoms are there, these symptoms we treat with the medication, and this addiction, apart from that, the non-pharmacological intervention or counseling or psychotherapy comes in a picture. So it's a combination, but yes, we have a good treatment for that. But
Okay.
person should be willing. Whenever the word come of addiction, whether it's alcohol, whether it's a nicotine, whether it's a opium, or the mobile or internet addiction, the patient cooperation is required. It is not fever that I will give paracetamol and the fever will subside. It's always if the patient is cooperative, the prognosis is always better. We can easily treat. If the patient is not cooperative, then the parents should be cooperative if the patient is child.
Thank you, sir. There is one question related to COVID, sir.
Yeah.
Some people suggest to take turmeric, haldi,
Yeah,
to protect of COVID-19.
Yeah, I made already in this in our the Ayush guideline. Ayush guideline, typically say take the milk with the turmeric or Chyawanprash or the warm water. Even we have this, the 2 spoon of coconut water, keep in your mouth, and after that have a gargles, or we are putting some, this butter or ghee in our nostril for some time. These all are really helpful therapies. So I think the one person can use it. जिसको in common term, in आम भाषा we call it a काढ़ा. These things we can use. It's a really immune booster. So we should not become so modern कि भाई नहीं बस if somebody is talking about these things, he is a illiterate person, or sorry to say गंवार person. No, these are over the years. उनके लिए randomized control trial की जरूरत नहीं है. It's a established phenomenon and we have to go for it.
Yes, sir, we also take Kara daily, as
Yes,
per the Ayush Mantralaya.
Yeah, it's helpful. It's helpful.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, there is a participant. Her father has a problem. He is 70 years old, and he is having depressions once or twice for 2 to 3 months in a year.
Okay.
He is not taking any medicine and self-recovering. Does he need any proper medication?
Yeah, see, sometime, okay, it's again, whenever we have any diagnosis in psychiatry, we have a differential diagnosis. Suppose one person is coming to me and he's saying, sir, I had a depression, but without, see, number one, sometimes one word we are using, coping skills. What is coping skills? That whenever some stress come in my life, I break down, I'm not able to cope with the situation, and I feel low, I feel anxious, and we call it a depression. So number one, it's again personality issue. Two, we have a concept of a seasonal affective disorder, that especially in European countries it's more, in our country it is less, that during winter season we have a lack of sunlight, and because of lack of sunlight we have one melatonin which secreted from our pineal gland. I'm talking little scientific now, that this pineal gland secretes the melatonin, and melatonin is responsible for sleep cycle. In winter, because of lack of sunlight, we have a disturbance in melatonin, and because of that, sleep wake cycle get disturbed, and because of that, person goes into depression in winter season, and he or she comes out from the depression in summer season. So we have to see whether he or she is suffering from seasonal affective disorder or not. So number one, see, in psychiatry, the crucial point, the main point is making a right diagnosis. If you did not make a right diagnosis, you just you will harm the person. So if that, we have to make a proper diagnosis, and patients should not feel happy about it, that every second, third I have every year that the depressive symptom and I'm getting better without medication. No, if it is depression, then maybe after some, because the more episode, any psychiatric disorder, more episode you will have, the prognosis is always poor. So any patient comes early in a treatment net, always the prognosis is better. So I will request that the person, that please go and meet the psychiatrist, make your diagnosis properly, and have a good management plan. Hello.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Oh,
Now,
Dr. Saab, thank you so much. In fact, if we continue there, I could see the chat window. There are so many questions that we keep on continuing. But just for the purpose of ensuring that we stick to our plan, and for rest of the questions, if we can compile and we'll send you on your mail ID. So thank you so much for having spared your valuable time, shared your experience with the participants. I'm sure this program and the input which you have shared will be of immense benefit to every one of us. Dr. Vishal, now you may invite Professor Vyas, please.
yes, sir. It was a very wonderful session, sir, full of knowledge, and many people have solved their queries. Now, I request Professor R.K. Vyas, sir.
Just 1 minute. I will just say thank you so much once again. I don't know whether I will get another chance to tell you thank you. And I just give the last message that psychiatric problems are treatable, whether COVID is there or not there. We have to, bravely face it, and we have to overcome it with the precaution. We have to, find a second mode and go ahead, and don't, hide your psychiatric problems. Talk about it, accept it, talk about it before it is too late. I am always there. If you allow me, I can share my number, or I should not.
So you can share. You please share in the chat window.
Your WhatsApp number, your email ID.
I will give my email ID also, and my number. If otherwise also, if somebody will Google me by my name, Dr. Dharmendra Singh, he or she will find my all details. But otherwise also, I will share my number.
Please write in the chat window. Or if you have any slide, last slide where you have that is listed, please show.
Sir, I have your profile on the practo.com.
Yeah.
I have shared that link on the chat window, sir.
Yeah. So my number is 8860238475. So 8860
G
238
G
475. So it's 88602475. Thank you so much once again, sir. I'm really impressed with you, particularly Professor Aman Boda. You have a great energy, sir, and any help in future I can do. I will be really like thankful, and will feel any help I can do it to anyone. Thank you so much. And best of luck to everyone. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you so much, sir. Now I request Professor R.K. Vyas, sir, President, Computer Society of India, Mumbai, to present vote of thanks. Sir, please. Sir, your mic is mute, sir.
Good evening, everybody.
Yeah, Dr. Vyas.
Yeah. Good evening, everybody. Thank you, Vishal. Thank you, Professor Huda.
Dr. Vyas, you have to increase your volume.
Yeah, it's full now.
Dr. Vyas, please increase the volume. You are not audible.
Now it's okay?
No. Make volume full and be closer. Keep your mouth closer to your system, mobile.
Okay, now it's okay.
Yes, now you are audible, much more audible. Huh?
Okay, thank you. No, my actually Bluetooth speaker was going on now. That's why it was a problem.
Oh yes. Now you are audible.
So thank you. I think I must thank Professor Huda for giving us an opportunity to hear Dr. Dharmender Singh. This webinar was away from all other webinars where we talk about all the FDPs, where we talk about the technicality of all information technology and communication technology, Internet of Things and blah things, everything. But today, the talk which has been arranged today, and today what we could Dharmender Singh is really there are no words to explain it. How impressive and how that movement from last 3 months, when most of us are almost locked down, working at home, then working at home, then we are locked at our desks. And see, many things are there. We are really socially cut from all our the extravagant things, and we have to see the face of wife and a son and few people from the balcony only. So this really has given us a time that most of us are really disturbed at many things. And moreover, for the faculty members, there is the pressure of giving an online lecture, hearing the lecture, conducting an online examination, and internal examination, and many more things. And some so much tired. Previously, somebody used to say physical जाने से ज़्यादा अच्छा था. हम वहाँ जाके दोस्तों से बैठ के चाय कॉफी तो पीते थे यार. आज वो भी नहीं हो पा रहा है. घर में ही चाय कॉफी पीते हैं और वो भी होता है. कभी खुद बनाना पड़ता है, you know. So that Dr. Dharmendra has given us really a very good insight of the things. I hope most of the faculty members, I think there are more than 350 faculty members who are attending this. They had a very good taste of the change. Dr. Huda always says change. Now we have a change from technology to social life, social living, knowledge about how to cope up with the pressures. These type of changes which we have heard today are really very helpful to us. I once again thank Dr. Dharmender Singh for giving us very good and very excellent knowledge about these things. And I do not have word for Professor Huda, who is really innovative in giving us various kind of topics on ICT. And today he has given another innovation for giving a topic like depressions in COVID pandemic era. So with these words, and I must say that we have got from other professional societies like IET, etc. And we at our professional societies, where we are also conducting other seminars on technology, whenever we have any such programs, we should give an hour of these kind of technologies or the depressions things, knowledge about these things should be given to all the participants. That will really help and boost not only the immunity, boost the moral of all faculty members and the participants who have been. Thank you very much. Thank you, Dr. Dharmender Singh. Thank you, Dr. Vishal.
Thank you so
Thank
much,
you
sir.
all.
It's my pleasure.
Thank you, Professor Huda.
And thank you, Professor Vyas. Dr. Dharmender, please see the chat window. The excellent feedback coming for this session, and all compliments goes to you, Dr. Dharmender.
Thank you, sir. You made me so energetic, with your introduction. It's amazing, sir. You have some psychiatric component without having a training of psychiatry, I must say.
Learn a lot from you, and it will be really helpful for all faculty members at this during this era,
It is my duty to create an energetic environment for my speaker.
Yeah.
Yeah, sir. Yeah.
Thank you so much, and please convey my regards, my gratitude to the entire management of Batra Hospital who could share and spare you for this program. Thank you so much. And where is my Arvan?
Thank you, Professor.
Arvan is always there for me.
Yeah, I request you and promise you, we always have many programs. Because of this COVID-19, we don't have a gathering. We are not around. But next program after this COVID, of course, 100% we will overcome and we will win this battle. After whatever program we will have, I will invite you, sir. And I hope you will come. Yeah.
Oh yes, definitely.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, Dr. Dharmender.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much. Once again. Okay.
Yeah, thank you very much to all the societies for having the technical collaboration also.
Dear all panelists, participants, you can log out. We four people will be there, and this meeting will be open till 7:30 as promised, so that if there is any problem of any participant in generating certificate or in auto mode, we can help them, we can solve their queries. So dear all participants, keep generating your certificate. Wait for around 5 to 10 minutes. You will get it within 3 minutes. It should, but many, because of some congestion, many of around 450 plus participants who are there. So many of them might be generating it. So wait for 5-10 minutes. Else we are here for till 7:30. Come back to
Professor
the
Huda.
chat window and tell us.
Hello.
Professor Huda, I must thank
Monira.
Chandele and Subrata Mukhopadhyay for giving us such a support for all these activities. I find General Chandele in last activity also and today also he's sitting all of the time and really boosting us for conducting all these activities. Thank you, General Chandele, sir.
And I must thank to Professor Vyas and all my friends, including Professor Prerna Gaur, the present chairperson of IEEE Delhi section. Professor Mukhopadhyay is always a source of strength to me. The moment I ring up, he says, yes, it is there. So thanks to all professional societies having collaborated, this program and other programs can be made successful only because of collaboration with all such professional societies. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Yes,
Dr.
yes,
Dharmender gave very wonderful talk. Yeah, thank you so much.
Wonderful, Prerna ma'am. Wonderful. Dear participants, we are here till 7:30 to solve your queries. And I will advise you to use Gmail ID, any ID with gmail.com. You will get instant certificate. On other IDs, you may get little delay. The services are absolutely seamless on Gmail IDs, but on other IDs, you may get little problem.
I would like to confirm that many participants have received the certificates. So after filling the details, please wait for 5 to 10 minutes. You will get the certificate at your email ID. Uttam sir, can you please certificate are generating or not? You are not audible, sir. You can apply only at once at the particular with the use of particular email ID.
Dear participants, we have purposefully kept some check and balances so that one person should not log again and again and keep generating certificate. So we are trying to capture your IP address, trying to capture your mail ID and see to it that you generate once. Generating once is not a problem, but the moment you want to generate any other certificate is a big problem. Of course, it's a technology, you can disguise it, but let's see, we are also learning with this. Please generate your certificate. We are here till 7:30 to solve your problem. But do not forward link here and there. After the program, we'll try to trace those people who could not log into this program for XYZ reason, but we will find in feedback that they have already submitted a feedback and generated a certificate. And do not put me also in embarrassing situation, and for you also an embarrassing situation if we put this information on the website in the public domain. Please do not do that. Rediff mail participants telling 15 minutes. If you have working Gmail ID, please use Gmail.
क्या दिक्कत है? If you have filled the form and not received the certificate, for this I have shared a one Google Drive link in the chat box. Please visit that folder. You will get the certificate from there. You can take the certificate with your name. Maybe due to some problem with the Google or a Gmail you have not received, or with your compatibility email ID, you can collect certificate from this Google Drive folder. Please visit this Google Drive. You will get the certificate from there. Thank you, Surleen Kaur madam. Due to some problem in sending the mail from the server at the Gmail, you can collect the certificate from the Google Drive. I'm just sharing the Google Drive link in the chat window. You can take it from there. No chat box is disabled. You just click on the chat. You will get it. If you have received the certificate, you can leave. Thank you. And we will meet in the next webinar, which will be held in the next week. And you can do the registration for next 3 webinars which have launched on yesterday. Please fill the feedback form and get the certificate. Link is activated till 7:30. Hello. Once you fill the feedback form at the Google form, you will get the certificate in the mailbox. If you didn't receive email, then you can find the certificate in the certificate folder which I have shared on the Google Drive link. Remind you all that link will be deactivated after 7:30. Please generate the certificate before 7:30. There are only 50 participants who have not generated the certificate. All other 350 participants have generated the certificate. So I request you all to please generate the certificate. We will close the link by 7:30. I've shared both the links, Google Form and Google Drive. No digit to give last digits. Just log in with your email ID and the password. You can fill your basic details. If you have submitted the form and not received the certificate, please check in the Google Drive folder. You will get it. That is not working. How can I generate? Chat is working. That is working properly. Click on the chat, fifth option of your menu. Hope you all enjoyed the session and gathered very useful information from Dr. Dharmender Singh. Batra Hospital is very renowned hospital in New Delhi. We cannot make corrections. Only 30 participants are remaining who have not generated the certificate. I request you all to please generate the certificate. Link will be closed by next 20 minutes. And once the link will be deactivated, we cannot do anything to reactivate the link. Sir has given this instruction in beginning of the webinar. If you mail or WhatsApp to sir, no one can generate the certificate after the closing of link. Please refresh. After filling the details, wait for 10 minutes. If you have not received the mail, then after check the Google Drive. It takes time. We are in the era of 4G. One will be see 6G will be there, maybe or may not be. Once you submit the button, you will get the certificate. But in the case of 4G, you have to wait 5 to 10 minutes. Hello?
Those participants who could not generate certificate, please write in the chat window. Dr. Vishal is there, Mr. Uttam is there. They are there to look after the queries and try to resolve it. Our team has done all possible efforts to give you certificate in instant way, but we can't take responsibility of first the network, second the problem at the Google end. If there is any problem, the drive link has also been shared. Your certificate, once you have submitted the feedback form, is available on the Google Drive. You can download and check your certificate and save it in your machine. But after 7:30, please understand, we won't be in a position to help you out. If you are left with the certificates, you are not able to generate it, have got any problem, please write your query in the chat window. We are there to help you out.
After submission, please check the Google Drive folder and refresh it. You will get the mail in that Google Drive folder. Might be there is some problem at the Gmail server. It is not permitted to send the emails in the bulk. They have put up some security. So you please check the Google Drive to get your certificate. Just refresh your Google Drive. Please fill the form and generate the certificate and get your certificate from Google Drive. 15 minutes remaining, 20 participants remaining. All other have generated the certificates, only 20 are remaining. After filling the form, please extract your certificate from the Google Drive. If your certificate is not there, just refresh, press F5 to refresh the Google Drive.